did it all.
Now I did. Alright, Donnie, here we are, safe and sound, back on the ground.
Nice.
What did you think about that, buddy?
Freaking awesome. I may be addicted.
Would you recommend this to all your family and friends?
For sure.
Well, buddy,
Do it.
thanks for coming out to Chattanooga Skydiving Company and joining our family today. It's a
Appreciate it,
pleasure
brother.
having you, Donnie.